All right, hey, good morning. It's Tony Parker from Creating a More Vibrant Life, and thank you so much for joining me for this short video. I was in Costco about a month ago, and there was a gal who was demonstrating Vitamix, and one of the samples she made was this wonderful chocolate mousse that was made with very healthy ingredients. And so since then I have been making this recipe very frequently because I love chocolate. And so let me tell you what's in this. Okay, so the base and the creaminess, most of the creaminess comes from an avocado. Oh, I forgot my other ingredients. Put it away. Okay. Also, coconut milk adds to the creaminess and helps you to mix it up. And cacao powder, rich. It has like a dark chocolate taste to it. And then for the sweetness, just some raw honey. So let me see if I can get this started. Okay, so I have, be nice if you could see me, right? I'm doing this in my Travato camper van, so there's not a lot of space. Okay, this is the cool little container that the gal, the Vitamix gal, Angela, used, and I bought her setup so I could do this, especially on the road. All right, so I have my avocado, and I'm just gonna put that right into this little bowl. Okay, so there we go. So I have it right in my little bowl, and then I am going to, let me see if I can make this come down a little bit. I'm gonna add, maybe if I stand back. I'm gonna add, this is unsweetened coconut milk that I got from Costco. I'm just gonna add like enough to mix this up. So, okay, and next I am going to add a heaping tablespoon of this cacao powder. So there's my, not teaspoon, tablespoon. But I mean, this recipe is so flexible. You add what you think you will like. Oh man, that smells good. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the mixer bottom and just, this is what my friend Angela taught me, just add enough honey on the bottom there. And I never measure it, so, and you know, it doesn't have to be real sweet for me, so you just decide. Okay, so I've got half an avocado, coconut milk, and a heaping tablespoon of cacao powder. And now I'm just gonna put this on here. There we go, get it nice and tight. I'm just getting used to this setup, so excuse me. Okay, and I'm gonna put it on my Vitamix blender. I am using a Vitamix V1200 that I just got a month ago from Angela at Costco. So, all right, so now I am going to blend this up. Just let it blend. I have also made this, I have put like nuts in this, and just let the Vitamix like chop it up a little bit so it had like a little bit of nut crunchiness to it. Peanuts, cashews, I mean whatever kind of nuts you like. So, but not today. All right, looks like it's almost blended. All right, so let me see how this is. So I love to have this healthy dessert when I'm wanting something like really with a lot of chocolatey flavor. Oh, this smells so good. I'm just gonna have a little taste, but this is for my snack this afternoon. Creamy, very rich chocolatey flavor, delicious. So I just thought I'd share that with you in case you ever wanted to try it. So it is chocolate avocado mousse. All right, I better pack up and go. I'll see you later.